Pressure cooker is one of the kitchen equipments you need in your kitchen. It doesn't only make my food cooking easier, it also makes it faster. So today I'll be showing you how to easily make use of your pressure cooker. So let's get to it. The brand of my pressure cooker is Anchor and it's a 5-liter pressure cooker. You can see how deep the inside is. Before I start using my pressure cooker, I make sure everything in the lid is intact because it is the pressure cooker cover that does the work. I make sure the regulator is intact, is well fixed, and I make sure the rubber by the lid is well fixed. If not, you're just cooking with a normal pot if everything is not intact. So after checking this, I'll be using my pressure cooker to make beans today. The pressure cooker is not only limited to making just beans. You can use your pressure cooker to boil your meat, to boil anything, any food that you find tough, that takes long to cook. You can use your pressure pot to make your cooking faster and easier. So I'll be using mine to make beans today. So I'm just going to wash the beans and transfer it into the pot. After transferring it into the pot, I'll add in my salt and add in my onions. I'll also add in enough water to cook these beans. You don't need a lot of water when cooking in your pressure pot because the pressure pot traps the heat and helps to cook your meal with enough steam. So in case you use a cup of water when cooking in your normal pot, for pressure pot you need half cup of water. I'm done adding all my ingredients, so I'll be covering the lid. When covering your lid, make sure you cover it well. Place your lid right, place it right, and press the cover a bit. Then you just close it like I did. Now it's time to place the pot on fire. I'll be cooking this on medium heat. I'll just gently place it on fire. Then after 15 minutes of cooking, the first steam is going to go off like this. The first steam was let off after I've been cooking for 15 minutes. And the next one, this is the next steam. It came after 10 minutes. 10 minutes after the first steam. So the third one is going to come 5 minutes after the second steam. I hope you get the explanation. After the third steam was let off, I knew my beans was ready. What I do now is just to turn off the heat, and it's either I allow the pot to cool off before I open it, or I let out the steam manually the way I'm doing. So to let out the steam, all you need is to place a flat item under the regulator and push the regulator up. This will allow every steam trapped into the pot out. It's going to let everything out. Then it will be easy to open the pot. Please don't open your pressure pot when it is still hot, when it hasn't cooled off. If you can't wait for it to cool off, please just let out your steam manually the way I just did. Please and please let your pressure pot cool off before you open it. If you cannot wait for it to cool off, please let the steam out before you open the lid. Thank you so much. Now the next thing I'm doing is just to finish cooking my beans. I just want to stir this into a sauce. I can finish cooking in my pressure pot, but I just chose not to. So this is my sauce preparation. I just have some peppers and onions. I'm going to blend these and just fry it in oil. I'm using palm oil and vegetable oil. It's just a simple cooking. I'm going to add the pepper and allow this to fry. I'm not adding any ingredient to the pepper. The salt I added to my beans was enough, so nothing in the pepper. I just fried this till it is well fried and added the sauce into the beans. And the next thing I'll do is to stir this together. Can you see how softly cooked the beans is? That's the power of your pressure cooker. So if you don't have a pressure cooker or you are scared to get one, please go and get one today or save up to get one. It's going to make your cooking easier and even faster. It will save your gas and your electricity bill. So that's that about cooking with a pressure cooker. If you have any question, you can do well to ask me in the comment section. I would reply all your questions. If you enjoyed this video so far or you learned one or two, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, like this video. Thank you so much for liking my video. So at this point, my yummy beans, creamy beans is ready. Thank you so much for watching once again. Till I come your way next time. Stay safe. Bye.